Go.
Many people would agree that the sense humans most often rely on is sight, but what about our sense of smell? Smell can help us to identify foods and flowers by their scent, to detect if our milk has gone bad, and even to sense a fire from a smoky or burnt smell. Smell can also help scientists to detect disease and to learn more about how we and other animals use this sense. One question scientists are trying to answer by studying the sense of smell is, why do whales breach? Currently, nobody really knows why whales breach, but one theory is that they do it to better sense their environment through smell, or to look for danger or food. Julie Hagelin of the University of Alaska accepts the challenge of learning why whales breach, saying that she always liked watching animals and understanding why they do what they do. Research shows that not only do whales have a sense of smell, but that it might be equal or better than that of humans. Research has also shown that a percentage of the brain 6 times larger in a whale is dedicated to the sense of smell. Hagelin plans to conduct a future study specifically on what whales might use their sense of smell for. Secondly, scientists are using the sense of smell to detect diseases and to monitor blood sugar in diabetics. They've invented a device that analyzes subtle scents in a person's breath, and this can detect asthma attacks or even a kidney disease. A portable device to measure the level of insulin in a person's blood can be used by people with diabetes and might eventually replace the finger pricking method that many people use today. After a successful test at the University of New York, Perena Goma expresses that her team are using their science and engineering skills to contribute to improving human health, and that's very exciting. Thirdly, recently at the University of Pennsylvania, the Smell and Taste Center, research was done on why people might have a damaged or completely lost sense of smell. For example, people who smoke cigarettes had a harder time distinguishing smells like chocolate and lemon and rubber in a lab test. And also, for another example, people who breathed in smoke and dust at the destruction of the World Trade Center on 9/11 had a blunted sense of smell because of certain chemicals that were in the air. A lack of sense of smell can also be a sign of a brain disease called Parkinson's disease. After examining his experiments and their results, Richard Doty of the University of Pennsylvania concludes that the smell tests are proving to be more sensitive than brain scans for Parkinson's disease. In conclusion, by studying the sense of smell, scientists have learned about the behavior of animals, as well as detecting diseases and understanding why we might lose our sense of smell. Through this research, we have come to more fully understand this sense and the importance it plays in our lives today.